The humpbacks have arrived at their feeding grounds. They haven't eaten for up to 5 months, and they're famished. They're after the vast schools of herring hiding beneath, and to catch them, they'll have to set nature's most elaborate acoustic trap. They fan out in formation, and then dive in synchrony, keeping in touch with low grunts. They swim down beneath the herring shoal. Then, the lead whale does something remarkable. From his blowhole, he creates a stream of bubbles. He can keep blowing for over a minute. As the bubbles rise, they create a curtain surrounding the fish. A bubble net. At the same time, the leader reveals his secret acoustic weapon, a haunting war cry. This eerie call bounces off the rising bubble curtain and scares the herring into the center of the net, so the feast can begin. Using this bubble netting technique, each whale can devour over a ton of herring a day. This unique view into the whale's world sheds new light on the extraordinary way that humpbacks harness the power of sound.